All right, it's 7/20/23, probably 7/30/23. We have an NX3000. I'm not sure quite what it does, but it has like channel A and channel B, and it has like input and output. So I'm thinking like it increases the volume on a microphone kind of system. So there's crossover, full range, mono, stereo, and bridge. So I guess you can bridge these things together. So there's the input, there's the output, and maybe it just boosts the microphone signal. It's like a DMX connection. So we're gonna power it up. There we go. We're connected to the wall. Power it up. You see it lights up. You see the fan spinning. LEDs are lit up. The question is, what's wrong with it? We don't know. We're just told that it's not working. So perhaps I can see the capacitors looking like they're good. I was told that it was been in the rain. I'm looking at the solder points. They look good. The IC chips doesn't look like anything burned. Don't smell. A smell sound. I guess I can look at the soldering points underneath on the other side. So I'd have to take all these Phillips out. Just a few connectors, a few Phillips, and this motherboard would just slide out. So I can look at the connectors. And then the fuse is intact because when I took up the fuse, nothing lit up. So you can see it's lit up. But that internal fan is still stopped spinning. Maybe it's spinning because there's no heat involved. There's not doing any work. So we're gonna turn it off. I don't feel anything hot. So that's off. And you can feel the brief fan coming on again. And that's that.